Hello. Now, I have two unboxing videos to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one, and then make my 10th unboxing video as a bit of a special, because it'll be the 10th time that I've done an unboxing video here. So let's just dive straight in. The first one, and this is rare, this will be on my top 7 list. It's the Blu-ray of Seth MacFarlane's Cavalcade of Cartoon Comedy Uncensored. Here's the spine. Here's the back. It is not rated, thank God, and it's only 54 minutes, but it is, from what I've heard, it is hilarious, and it is actually really good. This has not shown its face, like, at all for 11 years, and I actually found a copy on Blu-ray. That is beautiful. Here's the disc. You've seen enough. From the creator of Family Guy and the co-creator of American Dad comes a brand new animated series of pop culture parodies, hilarious shorts, they're all shorts, and superb non sequiturs. Uncensored, uninhabited, and unbelievably funny. Seth MacFarlane's Cavalcade of Cartoon Comedy is brimming with the kind of smart, raunchy, and twisted humor you can't see on television, no matter how hard you try. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The possibilities are endless, and so are the laughs. Stewie Griffin, they actually put a quote from Stewie Griffin on here. I'd give anything to be in Seth MacFarlane shorts. And this includes special features, still galleries with the characters' models, and the red carpet premiere. Yeah, from the creator of Family Guy, with all new, never-before-seen naughty bits. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't seen the shirt yet, it is new. I can fix everything, except for stupid. I'm funny. Anyway, the next review is going to be of a movie that just came out this year. About a dog.